Do you guys want to come start the video with me?
Yeah, I do. I do.
Right.
Where is it?
Right up here. So put your hands right here. All of you.
Me?
Nope. Let me in. Put your hands right here. Put your hands right here.
Here.
I'm going to put my hands right here. Okay? You're going to say, hello, everybody.
Already?
Yeah.
Hello, everybody.
And
Hello, everybody.
Thank you for helping me.
Hello, everybody.
Good job. My name is Bree, and welcome to Documented Journey. So, do you like Mom's journal?
No, I like to paint.
You like to paint. Do you like looking through this?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favorite part about this journal?
Pictures.
The pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah. The ones that I make, or the printed ones?
Printed.
Printed ones? Yeah. Do I print with this in here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show them what we have in here. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so we have this right here. Can you close that up? And this is my travel journal, right?
Yep.
Yep. This insert right here is actually made by me. You can get it in my Etsy shop. And it is a field note size. This notebook that is covering it is made by Rowena, and it is a Sojourner, and I will list her information in the description box. But this is stag leather, and this is a special pocket. It's called a designer pocket. It is just the end of the leather to make it have that rough look. This is just a piece of acetate that I got from my friend Robin. So this is my travel journal, and it's awesome because it's small enough that it just fits right in my Delfonics pouch. This is all I took with me on vacation. Where did we go for a vacation? You don't remember? Who did we stay with?
Grandpapa.
Grandma and Papa. Okay, let's see what else we have in here.
Okay.
This I could have easily actually taken out. It is a pouch just filled with pictures and business cards. She's probably going to take stuff out of there for you so you can see. Yeah, we got pictures. These are just stock photos that I've printed from the internet. I use them in, I'll show you right here. I use them in my journal for my like weekly spreads when I am doing my calendar and stuff. So she set them up for you so you could see all of them, I guess. Any more in there?
Yep.
So I've printed them in advance. Normally, once I get like two that I like, this is like one Polaroid zip piece of paper. So I print. So I think that's all of them. And then I have business cards in here just in case if I see someone that, you know, happens to need a business card. And then what else? I have one clip. Yeah? Okay, let's put all that back. The next thing I have is this Delfonics pouch has pockets, 4 pockets on each side. In one pocket I have Missy's favorite, which is the printer. And then I took 2 packets of paper and I went through one. So I have the Polaroid zip. A lot of people have asked if I recommend it, and I'd say all tiny portable printers kind of are all the same. They're not the best quality, but they do the job. In the second pocket, I have this, right here. I have my scissors and my tape runner. And I would say for the majority of the time I do not use my tape runner, but it's there if I need it.
Paint.
No, I'm not going to paint yet. I'm just going to walk through what I have in here, okay? You want to unzip this and start pulling stuff out?
Okay.
I do have a pencil pouch and a glue stick. And then I took some word stickers with me because I do enjoy those. And then she is pulling stuff out. I'm going to set them up for you. I love the Pentel Click Eraser. The Staedtler Pen. This is a drafting, I said pen, I meant pencil. This is a drafting pencil. I like it because of the thick lead. So if I do happen to drop it, I don't break it. This, and I got this from my dad, so this is the Sakura or Koi water brush in medium. And then this is new to me.
Well,
it is a
We have to take this out.
Well, that is for my stuff, so we can put it right here. This is a TWSBI Echo. I This is the only fountain pen I took. I thought that it would be good because it was like has a lot of ink. You can put like I think 2 ml in here, so that was important to me. I got that in a fine nib, and then my trusty ballpoint pen. And then I have 2 water brushes because this is the first water brush that I ever purchased, and it is super old, and the tip just doesn't quite come to a point. But with this one, it's newer, so I can get to a finer point. I actually, with this size notebook, the field notes, the finer point, the finer point would have been fine. I really didn't use this one very much. Okay, and then I have this because I can either wash the watercolor off with this, from my water brush. Don't twist that open, sweetie. There we go. You pull. Okay, you want to try? I can either kind of rinse my brush on here, or what I normally use it for, as you can kind of tell, is when the ballpoint pen starts to bead at the end, I kind of twist it on my cloth, and then I get a, more controlled line. Okay, can you put all that stuff away? This is also something that was in here. I would say that I needed to think about my color selection just a bit better because I was missing a few things in here. So I have a red-orange, I have the cobalt teal, sap green, yellow ochre, the burnt sienna, and a cobalt blue. I would say that if I was going to redo that, I would need a gray or a purple. I didn't have a very good shadow color. Luckily, I had brought this, but I don't know if I could actually fit, let me see, miss, real quick. I don't know if I could actually fit another pan in here. If I could fit another pan, I would probably do, like I said, a Payne's gray or a purple, and then this, I can, I think. And then this kit would be set. Oh, no, I can't. Oh, I can. It's a little wonky. Let's see. Let's see if I can take out. We'll just take out the Payne's gray. I think I would rather have purple only because, back up, sweetie. Back up, please. Back up. Only because I already have enough blue and Payne's gray can come off blue. But yeah, it'll fit. So that was the only downfall. Let go, please. Oops. That was the only downfall of this palette, is that I didn't have a shadow color. So maybe I need to look into that. And I would add purple to this mix. I need to add more of the sticky backs to these and maybe stick these down. But okay, you can have this now. So that was my palette of choice. Most of the time, I just mix in the top lid. I don't need... You dropped one, though. Here, let's put it in. Okay. So moving on. This does fit in here. She is going to put all that in for you to see.
I did it, Mom.
Good job. Okay, put everything in there. So in the next pocket, like I said, I had my actual watercolor palette with a bigger cloth.
And this goes in here?
Yes, ma'am. With a bigger cloth. And then I also had tabs. I probably didn't need to bring these, but I did because they were just in here.
Mom.
Here, they were just in there already, and I forgot to take them out. I did use a tab because this is going to be used for other travels, so I went ahead and put the Florida tab right there, so that way it started the the section. Let's not flip through it right now, okay? If you want to flip through it, you can go over there. I gotta put some sticky notes on some of the things.
Can I see?
Yeah, go ahead, over there. The next thing is this. This is the only pouch I brought, and I included like a bunch of stuff. I am just really obsessed with brown paper and washi tape, so that is the main thing I brought. I use paper bags, so I just cut up the paper bag and call it a day. This right here is a ruler. I honestly never use this, but I'm just afraid to take it out. It's so thin and easy. I'm just afraid to take it out and then actually need something from it. So This is just a little package of strips. I don't know if I'll ever use that or whatever, but you know. This is a rub-on. These are all rub-ons that I just want to use up. You know, I brought things that I thought color-wise would go with the ocean and things that I wanted to use up. Stickers that said like travel and all this kind of stuff, and yeah. So those were kind of like my papers. I brought some butterflies, rub-ons again. This is washi tape. I did bring like a lot of my stickers, my flower stickers that you can get as a printable, but honestly I never use them, so there's that. I could have actually done, I could have actually done without this, and I probably would never have noticed. This is my collection of washi tapes. Most of them are, well, I can't even say most of them are mine anymore. So I was gifted these by my friend Robin, and this is a lot of my washi tape now, but these are the other ones that I have. I put them on just little cards. This is actually gifted too. I put them on little cards that, that I can easily just kind of take off. And yeah, because I do clusters mostly. I put the brown paper down and then I do a paper cluster. This is probably more washi tape than one would need, but I don't know. I like washi tape, and I don't take anything else with me as far as like ephemera goes, so this is what I have. And it all fits nicely in this bag right here, and that's how it works. And then I can kind of just shove. Hey Missy, can I have that book back? I'm going to show them how it all fits inside here. So I just kind of shove everything in here. It all fits. I turn this upside down. It's like the perfect fit, really, with this notebook, or with like everything inside. And it zips up. And maybe
it's really hard.
It's not. I just wasn't grabbing it. And then it fits like that. I would say that the field note size is the perfect size for traveling. I did not have a lot of time to journal.
Mom, do you paint right now?
Not right now. I didn't have a lot of time to journal, so I am playing catch up at the end, and it's just a perfect size for traveling and writing and everything. And I could still get some drawings in, and it wasn't too small. I didn't feel like I was like drawing itty bitty, you know. So it was really nice. I will have a flip through of this up on my channel really soon, so stay tuned for that, along with some like footage that I had throughout the trip. So. Until next time, everybody. I'll see ya.